Okay, so we are going to do a pod review today on the Guajillo or Guajillo. I think that's how you pronounce it. Here's the tag for it. Guajillo, Guajillo. I think that's how you say it. If you're Spanish and you know how to pronounce that correctly, comment below and just kind of correct me on that, but I'm pretty sure it's pronounced Guajillo. Now, this pepper is considered, in most cases, one of the holy trinity of peppers, though there's a lot of controversy on that because Mexico is quite a big country, has a northern region and it has a southern region, which the southern region is going into the subtropical area, and the northern region, it still gets cold weather and everything up there. So cuisine is a little different in northern part of Mexico than southern Mexico. So what you may consider the holy trinity of chilies in northern Mexico, it may or may not be the same as southern Mexico. So this is supposedly considered one of the holy trinity of peppers. I'll do a video on the holy trinity of peppers, and we are going to pick this one. This one's well ripe. It's kind of starting to dry out a little bit. I should have picked it a while ago. I just haven't had time, guys. So we picked it now. And I got about 3 or 4 of those plants growing, and we are going to get a lot of peppers this year off of those. I'll do this review again at the end of the year so we can see the proper size of it and everything. This is just an early review. Here's another Guajillo. Now this one's almost dried out completely. It's still a little bit moist, but it's pretty much nothing but a paper skin on here. So I let that one dry out because these peppers are generally let to dry. They're not normally eaten fresh. They're kind of dried out and then used in cooking that way. So I did let that one dry out just to kind of see how it's going to dry out and everything. And it's not the moldy kind of a pepper. It's just really thin wall, and it dried right out pretty easily. Like you can see, this whole thing just feels like an empty plastic bag, really. It's just maybe a little bit moist. If I put that in the sun for a few hours, that thing will probably turn brown and dry out completely. But I just wanted to show you that. So here's one that's still got a little meat on it, and we are going to do a taste test on this. Let me just give you a couple of angles, like that. I'm at an angle like that. Gorgeous. Now this isn't an upright pepper. This is a downright pepper. This is a pendant pepper to hang down. Just so we're clear on that. All right, so let's turn you around. All right, guys, here we are. We are going to do a pod review on the Guajillo or Guajillo pepper. I'm not exactly sure how you pronounce that. If you speak Spanish or you're from Latin America and you know how to pronounce that correctly, please comment below and correct my Spanish. So here it is. This is a small one. I think these can get like double the size. Again, I'm going to revisit this at the end of the year when I get more peppers. We'll do another taste test on it when it's a little bit more fresh. Now this pepper is almost completely dried out. I just left them on there forever. I mean, this has been on there for months. I just haven't had time to get around and review it. But now I have to pick these peppers off so the plant can start growing, and they need to come off. So here we are. We're doing an early review on this pepper. So let's give it a bite and see what it tastes like. First of all, it's a thin wall pepper. It's not a thick wall. This is like dry. If you're going to dry this, it'll dry just like a cane. It'll probably dry right on the plant. The second thing is it has a pretty good amount of sweetness on it. Skins are a little tough on it. They're a little thicker on this particular variety of pepper. That's probably why they dry them out, and it makes a really good powder or something, or a flake or something. But man, that thing had a good sweet flavor. That was very, very delicious. Wow. I could see why they call it one of the holy trinity of peppers, because it just... Now, this is fresh. If you eat it when it's dry, it's probably going to taste a lot different. So maybe at the end of the year we'll have a few of those dried out, and we'll do a taste test on the powder and see if it's any different. So far there's no heat on this, but there might be a little warmth on it as I get up to the seeds. A lot of times these peppers are like poblanos. Some of them are hot, some of them are not. So I'm not 100% sure if there is any heat on these at all. But as of right now with this review, there is no heat on it. So let's finish this pepper off and end the review. Now, like I said, the skins are a little tough on this. That's probably why it's used as a dried pepper, because the skins are tough and it'll probably flake up a little bit better. But let me tell you, that is a really, really nice pepper. I'm going to look forward to doing this review again towards the end of the year when I get bigger, fresher peppers, and they're, you know, probably a little thicker walled. They'll be more juicy, and so we'll see if they taste the same. But again, it had a little bit of a sweetness, kind of a kind of tanginess once I got up towards the seeds, very slightly tanginess, and it was very smooth. It came and went. So what would you use it for in cooking? Any kind of Mexican cuisine, any kind of Mexican dish. But you could also use it for American cooking as well, if you want to apply it to any kind of sautés or anything like that, or if you're making, you know, if you're cooking a steak and you're making the side dressings, it's fine for that. But it is a thin wall, and it is a little on the tough side, so I recommend if you are going to eat these fresh, that you chop them up really fine so it's kind of macerated, and you'll be fine with that. But eating them just like slices in the salad, you might be chewing it for a little bit. So anyway, that was a quick review on the Guajillo pepper. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.